I'm dancing with the box.
Hi, Afshin.
Hi, Lisa. I have been away for such a long time. Find the spring lines. We got a box from Brodie, which is an English brand. If you all didn't know, y'all didn't know. You can come a bit closer. I'm not that scary.
Oh, your feet. I wanted to show you nice shoes.
Thank you. Everyone saw my shoes, suede shoes.
Look, aren't they cute? Okay.
Okay, Brodie from England. I met the owners, husband and wife team. They are the nicest, sweetest, nicest. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. We're doing a video. Would you like to be in
Sorry,
it?
no, I'm good. I apologize. Where's David?
Okay. Tie-dye. Some people are tired of it. I get it. I understand. And the only tie-dyes that I do buy are the ones that I love. And I love. This with a gray pair of jeans will look amazing. It's cut on a boxier side. You know Brodie cuts for bodacious women. This is a size large. This is a gorgeous tie-dye. Gorgeous cashmere. It's a lightweight cashmere. It's not a heavy cashmere. It's not a heavy gauge. So, another Brodie. Ooh. What do we call this?
Ooh.
What do we call this?
Tweed?
No.
Speckled?
No, there's a word for it. And one of my customers actually sent it to me and I forgot what it is. Marled. It's not marled? Okay, apparently it's not marled. Okay.
But it's beautiful.
Kind of sort of men's inspired. It's gray with black or dark gray. Wear it with jeans. Wear it with like nothing underneath it, obviously. Wear the collar just folded over the shoulder, or I like it if you wear it like this for when it's really cold. Sizes extra small to large. Beautiful. What else? What is this? Why is it so small? Okay. Ooh. You know, there is a whole fringe situation going on. This is a body that they are going to do even next year. So if you buy it now, this will never go on sale. I think I bought it for spring in off-white. It has a little bit of a fringe detail. It is the light cashmere that they're known for. It's not a mock, but it's not a crew. It is a crew, but it's like a slightly high crew. Little dressed up, perhaps. Fringes are having a moment. Fringes have been having a moment. There's going to be a lot of fringe even next year. You cannot go wrong with a black sweater. However, this is the money shot. Ready? Look at it. So, it's a full sleeve. Why? These sizes are a bit on the fuller scale, it seems. This is a large. I keep opening all the larges. So, just so you know, we have larges. These will easily fit a 14 or even 12, 14 perhaps. Beautiful. Black sweater. Maybe wear with a button-down shirt underneath it. That kind of could be kind of cool. Kind of sort of cool. Okay, so one box down. Incidentally, we have so many sweaters. You know, sweater weather is coming. Sweater weather is gonna come soon, and you're gonna say, I have nothing to wear, and then your size is gone. This is what I go through every year. More Brodie. This is incidentally, I think, part of their winter collection that came a bit early. Ooh. How beautiful. It's cable on one side, off-white, drop shoulder, fitted sleeve. It is beautiful. Isn't it incredible? Mock neck. I love this color with off-white pair of jeans. We have off-white pair of jeans. Okay, what is this? Another tie-dye again. Tie-dye is only when I love the tie-dye, and this is a more fitted. These fall colors. Imagine going, I don't know, upstate to look at the leaf change and wearing this sweater and taking pictures. That's the look. Telephone. Hold on, there's more. Hold on. Nobody move, nobody got hurt. We had this foil design last year in a different version. The great thing about this is it will, you know, it's like putting a mirror underneath you and having the lights go against your face, kind of lighten your face. This is what it means. Did I explain that well? Let me try it again.
Try that again.
It brightens your face when you wear it. The best way to take a picture of a selfie is to have a white table or a white board so the light hits you against it and the
Reflects.
reflection. Thank you very much, Lisa. English is my third language.
Let's
This
show
gives
that.
you the same effect. It reflects against your face. Okay, I think this is the final. I love this color, but I love it even more now because of this. Dude, why is everything a large? Okay, just so you know, we have extra small, 2 large. I just keep opening the larges. And you realize that the size large flies first out of our store. Okay, this is a great non-color color. This against brown, gray, navy, practically anything will look smashing.
Is that a pink sleeve?
It's a lavender sleeve.
So pretty.
So pretty. I guess Lisa likes it. Okay, this is their very well shot advertising campaign. Woohoo! And that's it. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, oh no. I went crazy. Are they all shipping it all this at the same time? Fair Isle is a big trend. A lot of you are against Fair Isle because it's too Fair Isle. This, with a neon detail, ain't that Fair Isle-y. It has the effect, but it doesn't have, you know, it's not so
It's modern.
Fair
It's
Isle-y.
modern Fair Isle.
It's good for Aspen.
Would you two like to do my video from now on?
No.
Okay, this is also, oh, this is a small. It's a big small. Okay, Brodie, done. Ole!